Hello everyone, I'm Renee from TMYTEK. We are thrilled to be part of the 22nd IWCMC conference. Today I'm excited to showcase our latest mmWave platform, designed to accelerate integrated sensing and communication, or ISAC research. This live demonstration operates right here at 28 GHz FR2 band. Let's take a closer look at the setup. Our signal path starts from the NR-USRP X410 SDR. The signal then streams into our brand new product, BBox 8x8 Dual, which functions as both a transmitter and a receiver. It features a 64-element dual-polarization phased array antenna and integrates an up and down converter, allowing to process intermediate frequency signal with ease. Furthermore, the BBox 8x8 Dual supplies SPI for fast beam switching and beam tracking, as well as a LAN port for seamlessly coding and control. Here is how the experiments work. First, we run the test at 28 GHz mmWave frequency, using the 5.5 GHz IF signal to transmit a 400 MHz bandwidth new radio signal. To kick things off, we place a corner reflector at the 1 meter to establish our calibration baseline. From there, as we move the corner reflector back and forth, you can see the target distance suddenly change. To calculate the exact distance, the system applies time-domain cross-correlation to match transmitted and reflected signal peaks. If you cross-check our sensing data with a physical tape, you will find that the error is remarkably small, proving the high precision of this system, and that's the experiment in a nutshell. Ultimately, the testbed serves as an ideal prototyping platform for next-generation 6G systems, defining wireless research as a highly efficient way to slash their development times. To dive deeper into the product details, feel free to check out our website or drop a comment down below. This is TMYTEK, and thank you so much for watching.